Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and let's discuss about the next component, which is date picker, because date picker is something which we will require in most of the cases. And over here, let's call dcc dot date picker single, or date picker single is what I want in right now. Let's specify the ID, which is optional for now but needed when you need to perform some actions. So ID is date dt pick single, whatever I want. And now I can specify the date, which is dt year, month, and date. Alright, I think that should be it. Let's see it. Alright, so dt we have not specified. Okay, I thought I have specified, but from date time import date as dt. Alright, here we have specified. Execute it. Expected keyword argument date. Alright, should be a small date. Okay. And we are good, and let's see it here. So here we have 9th May 2015, and if I click over here, you can see that I can go back and forth. Let me try clicking over here. Nothing happens. What I'm expecting is it should go back because those probably in advanced mode. So if I want, I can select whatever date I want. I can go back and forth, select whatever date I want. So that's how you can create a date picker using the date picker single. And if you want to know more about it, as I showed you in the previous video, you can look into the documentation, and we will see these things in action about how this can impact our application in our future videos, where we will work on some application. So that's pretty much it. In the next video, I will show you the range picker, how you can pick date between two range.